So guys, in my hands, I have the Mavic Pro, the $1,000 mini drone from DJI that has a 4K camera, super far range, great battery life, a great drone. And then I have this mini Mavic Pro, which I don't really know what the real name is. It's just a Chinese knockoff, but it's fun to just see how tiny it is compared to the Mavic Pro. And guys, if you want to try to win this drone, give this video a big like and leave a comment in the comment section below. Just tell me something. If this video hits 1,000 likes, I'll pick one person from the comments as a winner. So either leave like your Twitter handle or something like that so I can get in contact with you when I pick a winner. So this drone right here, I got for $1,000. So just this drone here, I got for $80. I can tell you which one is gonna be better, but it's just gonna be fun to compare the two. I just wanna see how this one performs in comparison to this one, how the video quality actually looks. Probably pretty close to horse crap, but we'll see. And it's pretty crazy because they actually engineered it to be just like the Mavic. So the propellers fold out, the arms and stuff. So it looks just like that. And then the controller actually looks like a Mavic controller. It even has a spot for your phone right there. So that's pretty crazy in itself. I mean, it's definitely not the same quality that it feels like, but they got a lot of stuff right. So you want to download the JY UFO app, and that's how you control the drone. Oh, I have to turn the controller on first. Lol. So first impressions, it can't handle the wind at all. It's like trying to fly away, but it is pretty stable. But yeah, it's basically fighting to not fly away. Yeah, it can't even like stay in the air. It's just flying away. Come on. And you can let it take off from your hand, I believe. Yep. Well, if you let it take off from your hand, make sure it's not tilted at an angle or it's just gonna like take off somewhere. So let's try this again. Let's do it a little bit more straight. Okay. First thing I noticed is that the drone, like the camera points down, so you can't really see much. And I don't want to fly this thing too far because the wind, like it crashed somewhere over there and now I have to go through freaking barbed wire. Okay guys, hopefully you heard my moans of me trying to go underneath the barbed wire. I really don't remember. This sucks. Hopefully I find it. So that went a lot better than I thought. Why is there barbed wire here anyway? Oh God, there's angry birds. Oh God, oh God, oh God, oh God, guys. I pissed some birds off. Okay, I'm back. Let's try this again. Guys, are cows friendly? I've never been this close to a cow before. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. Stop, 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 stop. Oh yeah, this thing is fun. You just can't be in like 30-mile hurricane winds. One positive is that the battery life is good. I thought it was gonna suck, but It's actually lasted a long time. Hi, Cal. Hi, Cal. It's just me, don't worry about it. It's just me. I'm not gonna come eat you or anything like that. Just quit looking at me. I swear to God, if I get attacked by a cow, that hospital bill is gonna be a business write-off. I need that taxed benefit. Okay, so it's pretty clear this thing isn't the best at performing in the wind. It has very weak motors. So if the wind is flying at, like towards it like this, it will just get pushed. Like there's no like fixing that. And as you can see, like the thing's covered in sand. I crashed it in the sand a bunch. It's been crashed a lot, way more than my Mavic has ever crashed. But honestly, like for a fun little drone, it's great. You just have to know like you can't fly it in the wind at all, or it's gonna go 20 miles away. Also too, like if you flew this thing in the wind up high, there would be no getting it back. It would probably just go forever until the battery died. Like there'd be no getting it back. So just keep that in mind. This may almost be like a pretty decent like indoor drone. It's a little big for that, but I want to try it indoors as well. But for right now, don't fly it inside. Like the battery comes out right there, but I can't even get it out. Like I would rip my nail off if I tried to get it out. So basically, like you have to have a flathead screwdriver to get the battery out. I don't know if I have like a bad one or what, but yeah. Okay, so now we're flying the Mavic. This is gonna seem completely unfair because it is. The Mavic is night and day. It's over 10 times more money than the other drone, and I would bet it's over 10 times better. Like you can't even compare the two. Okay, so this one uses the DJI Go 4 app. So this drone, as you can see, is super stable. Like it's just chilling behind me, and it actually won't go any farther to me because it has sensors. The other drone did not have sensors. So let's just see what it can do. So I'm gonna put it in sports mode, and it's off. Like it is 130 feet in the air. It is 400 feet away, just like that. And the height is pretty stable. You can see the distance is kind of going up and down just because it's trying to fight in the wind. But considering that the wind, it could be like 20 to 30 miles an hour, this is fine, this is great. And when I let go of the controls, it's completely stable, so it's perfect in the wind. It's super fast and responsive. And it's going 28 miles an hour right now, 30 miles, 31 miles, 32 miles an hour. So guys, that was my like semi-failed review of this drone. In the right circumstances, this drone would be really cool to have for $79.99. In the gusty wind, it is not a good drone because it will just fly away literally and you'll never find it again. If it's completely dead, I would be pretty confident flying this drone up high, but if there's a slight bit of wind like this, I wouldn't fly this thing higher than like 7 feet because it will just fly away and there's no way to really bring it back. The Mavic Pro, on the other hand, was super stable in the wind. It has GPS, it has sports mode, it can go up to like 40 miles an hour. This thing can go like 1 mile an hour in the wind, so keep that in mind. This was no means like supposed to be a professional comparison to the Mavic Pro. Obviously the Mavic Pro is so much better. If you want to see a drone that's more up to pace with the Mavic Pro, I actually compared the Mavic Pro to the Phantom 4 Pro. I'll link to that video right here. And if you want to see another drone video, which I don't really know what it is right now, I'll put it right there. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure you do that. You can click my head right there. That's it, guys. If you haven't liked the video yet, go ahead and do that. That really helps this video out a lot. It helps me get more subscribers as well.